All right, welcome to domain 6.3, password best practices. So you can think of passwords like the locks and keys to your digital world. The stronger and smarter your locks, the harder it is for anyone to break in. Here's how it works in everyday life. Length and complexity equals a heavy-duty padlock versus a flimsy one. History and expiration equals changing locks after losing your keys. Reuse across sites equals don't use the same key for your car, house, and locker. If one gets stolen, they all get hit. Password managers equals a safe deposit box that remembers all of your keys for you. Changing defaults equals never trust the spare key under the doormat. Replace it immediately. Now, in training day, strong passwords aren't easy to crack. Just like Hoyt's, honesty couldn't be exploited. History and expiration, old favors that came back to haunt Alonzo. Password reuse. Alonzo tried to use the same tricks on everyone, and it became predictable and risky. Password managers, that's Hoyt finally learning to trust proper procedures instead of just memory. Changing defaults, never trust the system as is. Protect yourself first.